Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in the Jamaican language. Make sure you follow our YouTube page for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. The Jamaica Hotel and Tourism Association, JHTA, a report say in some hotel all of the workers them fully vaccinated. On top of that, the JHTA say a 1% of them workers catch the coronavirus. According to Clifton Reid, or the president for the JHTA, even though the COVID case them arise, him feel good say it not too bother the hotel worker them and them want keep it that way there. 2 men from Manchester are get charged under the Firearm and Disaster Risk Management Act, DMRA, after police do an operation in a Richmond district in the parish yesterday. The man them are 40 years old Omar Casanova and 26 years old Ricardo Powell. The two of them come from Richmond district. According to the police report, around 12:45 in the morning, them went upon operation when them see the 2 men. Them stop and search the man them and find one tank folio 9mm pistol having 14 bullets. The police them lock up the man them and charge them for the gun and bullet where them not have no license for and for broke the Disaster Risk Management Act. 2 picnic now have no mother of a gunman killer in front of them in a Comfort District, Manchester, Friday night. The dead woman, a 32 years old Shana K. Richards, who come from Comfort District. According to the police report, Richards went in the home with her 2 picnic, one of 4 and one of 8 years old, when gunman kick off her door sometime after 8. The gunman them shot her up but never hurt her picnic them. People in the community rushed to the hospital and doctor said she dead. The Manchester police said them not know what caused the killing. One bike man dead per Amos Road in St. Elizabeth yesterday morning. The dead man, a 24 years old Shimbarine Wright, who worked on building in a Leeds in the parish. According to the report, around 9:30 yesterday morning, Mr. Wright been a ride go Santa Cruz when him licking a one car. Him get fling off of the bike and go in some bush. Him never did wear no helmet. The driver for the car never get hurt. News from foreign. Come November 1, people who are fully vaccinated can go America. President Joe Biden said this yesterday, and him said people who are coming to the country have to show proof so them vaccinated before them go on the plane, and them have to take one COVID test 3 days before too, and it must negative. On top of that, Biden said he might put some tougher rule on people who not take the vaccine in a theme country, and when them come back in, them have to do one corona test 3 days before and do one next one when them reach back in the country. My name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.